Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on LTO. As in my previous videos, I have been showing you that LTO is about to break a very big falling wedge pattern. And in my last video, I was showing you that it just broke out the resistance of the wedge, and this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price line is now retesting the previous resistance of the wedge as a support. At the same time, it is also retesting a quite long-term support of 80 cents as well. That was previously breaking as a resistance and now it is flipped into a strong and long-term support. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for LTO. And this signal produced almost 40% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for LTO that I shared on 8th of December 2023. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that LTO formed on a daily time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone, and this was the stop loss as well. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone, a very, very powerful reversal and rally beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 40% pump. And you can see that now, again, from the same potential reversals on the price and it's gearing up. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of LTO. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. And previously, you can see that LTO was moving inside this big falling wedge pattern. And while moving inside this big falling wedge pattern, it also found another support and resistance of a smaller falling wedge pattern. This was the resistance, and this was the support of this falling wedge pattern, the smaller one. And this is the support and resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern. And you can see that after breaking out the smaller falling wedge pattern, we had a powerful pump where the price could not break out the resistance of this bigger falling wedge pattern by this it was rejected by this resistance of bigger falling wedge pattern here. And then finally here in the month of December 2023, we have again broken out this very big resistance of the falling wedge pattern. And now it is retesting the previous resistance of the wedge as a support. And at the same time, it is also testing this quite long-term support that was previously breaking as a resistance here. You can see for several weeks a month and also almost as a resistance here, support here, and therefore now it can again work as a strong support. So now we have two supports here. One is the support of this falling wedge pattern that was previously breaking as a resistance, and now it is breaking as a support, and this support of 8 cents. And the next resistance will be, by the way, here at 12 cents. That was previously breaking as a resistance here and resistance here as well. And also here for several weeks, it had been breaking at the resistance. For 3 weeks, it has been breaking at the resistance here and resistance here as well. And after that, the next major resistance will be here at 18 cents. Now, if you take a look at the target for this huge breakout from this falling wedge pattern, that is here at the top of the wedge, that is between 95 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.